Hey, we're up here at the Prairie Farms towers, and we have two 500-ton ammonia brick condensers here, and we actually came down here so we could hear. And Kurt, this is Kurt Lemon from Prairie Farms. You take care of these condensers. You've been doing this for quite a few years up here. So what have you seen so far with scale-free systems?
The system works very well. Very little maintenance for my end. It saves me a lot of time. Basically, the only thing I have to do when I do my weekly PM on the unit is, as far as the scale-free system, is clean the conductivity probe. That's basically the only thing I have to do. Everything else works on its own.
So as we pan up here, we see the control system and the PVC pipe coming through with our biocide, and we've got two systems on each one for each tower. And one of the things I've noticed, Kurt, that these are 2004. You don't see much rust or corrosion going on with the steel or even the tower itself.
None at all, really. And no algae buildup inside. It's never been an issue.
Is it previous towers that you had before when you used chemicals? Did you have an issue with corroding and chemicals?
Oh, very much. The inside was very deteriorating. I had to do a big cleanup every spring because there'd be so much garbage in the sump. I didn't get a 5-gallon bucket of stuff out of each unit. So it was extensive as far as the cleanup every spring.
Well, everything looks pretty good here, and if I pan over, they were satisfied what we did on the first tower here, and then about 3 years ago they installed this 400-ton BAC ammonia condenser, and we've got our system there too. And you've had the same results over there on a new system also.
Yes, it worked very well.
Did you have any issues? And one of the issues I have is pacifying the towers and making sure they're not having white rust. And we did that here, and we've noticed that there's no white rust showing up on any of your towers. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, because that's one of the issues I have from other people that come in and ask about the corrosion part. So, I guess, in closing, I guess if you were having to go back to chemicals, you wouldn't be very happy, would you?
No, not at all. I like the scale-free system, and we're going to stick with it.
All right. This is a close-up installation of the scale-free equipment we have on the condensers here at Prairie Farms. You see the controller there. Actually, we have about 579 millivolts coming out of our probe system. We got our biocide key, which goes in the tower, our solenoid coming out, and basically this is all there is to the system. We're going to take a walk upstairs, and we're going to take a look at the tubes. I mean, you don't get much debris in these calcium in these things. This is typical. Now this is after about, I'm going to say 5-7 years of operation. Actually 7 years. Kurt's turned the water off for a short period of time here so we can take a look at them. Kurt, so far I don't see anything with any buildup or any algae, do you?
No, the tubes look good.
Did you ever clean these before in 7 years? Did you ever power wash them?
Never been pressure washed or anything.
So these never been cleaned at all, so it's just been the water flow taking care of it. I think it looks pretty good.